Hi guys, today I'm going to share how to make Milo jelly. For the ingredients, we need 4.5 cups of water, 2.5 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 and 1/4 cup of Milo. So to begin, we're going to add all the ingredients in a pot. So at first you see me add 1 cup of Milo, and then I added the sugar, the gelatin, then the water. Give this a mix. And then I tasted this and I feel that it's lacking Milo. So I'm going to add 1/4 cup of Milo. So all in all, the Milo is 1 and 1/4 cup. So stir this or whisk this. And then we're going to let this boil using medium to high heat. Once the mixture starts boiling, we can take this out of the heat, transfer into a heat-proof container. So once the steam is all gone, we can put this in the fridge to fully set. It takes about 2 to 3 hours for this to set. While the Milo gelatin is setting, we're going to prepare the tapioca or sago. So I've got 1/2 cup of sago that I'm going to put into a boiling water. And then just cook this until the sago is translucent. Just like this. And then drain the hot water and then rinse the sago with cold water. Now that the jelly is fully set, cut this into cubes. Not too small. Just like this. Then do the same procedure with the other jelly. Now for the rest of the ingredients, we have the sago that we cooked before. 1/2 cup now that it's cooked. This is 3/4 cup of Milo, 395 grams of condensed milk, but I only use 3/4 of the condensed milk, 600 ml of cream, and then the jelly. So in a clean bowl, pour in the 600 ml of thickened cream or whipping cream. To this, I'm going to add that 3/4 cup of Milo. With the amount of Milo, you can modify this. You can add as little or as much as you like. But I want the Milo to really shine on this recipe. So whip this until it thickens a little bit. Then add the condensed milk. With the condensed milk, you can add according to your taste. So for me, I added 3/4 of the can. So I didn't add all the condensed milk. So our cream is not too sweet. So you have to taste this. And then once you're happy with the taste, beat this on a high speed until it slightly thickens. I'm happy with this thickness. I can now add the jelly. Don't forget to reserve some of jelly for the topping later for presentation. Now add the sago. This cream thickens up as it sits, so as you can see here, you feel like you're lacking some jelly and sago, but this is perfect because it will thicken as it sits. Then let it chill for about 2 to 3 hours. And then for presentation, add jelly on top. This hasn't chilled yet, but I am ready to present this. I wash my hands. So as this sits, it will thicken up like ice cream. You can just put this into the refrigerator. And this is the finished product. I hope you give this a try. This is really good and so easy to make. Here what it looks like close up. Again, this is not yet chilled. This is really good. It tastes like ice cream. So give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.